Hi everyone, this is day 6 of my movie ticket booking website, and today I am going to show you my movie detail section. So let's get demo. This is my movie detail page. You can see at the left side movie thumbnail, then you can see movie title, and after that you can see movie description, then you can see few detail about movie, and then you have watch trailer button and book now button, and then you can see cast, where who cast this movie, and then relevant section where you can check same movie, and I have add animation in every section. So now let's see its code. But before starting, I will tell you I have create a movie casting with Akshay object in assets folder to show casting. Then I create a route for movie.id and it will render movie details. And in this movie detail, I am fetching ID from URL by the using of use param. Then I am getting movies from app contacts. Then I create a use state that's name movie. Then I create a use effect, and in this use effect I am finding movies that is matched with this ID and is stored in this use effect. Now from here my render section start, and this is main div, and in this div I have classes. Then I have a top content section. In this I have also classes. Then I have top left content, and it is used to show my movie thumbnail, and in this I have add animation. It start from 0.8, and after 0.8 second it will be in normal position, and then I have view classes for responsiveness. Then I have top right section, and in this I have heading, paragraph, movie description, watch trailer button, then book now button, and I have add animation in every tag. Let's talk about animation. My animation is start Y20. After 0.8 second it will be its original place. Then description start from Y20, and after 0.8 second it will be original place. Then movie detail it will start from 0 opacity, and after 0.8 second it will be its original place. Then watch trailer section, and in this it will start Y20 and opacity 0, and after 0.8 second it will again its original position. Now let's talk about cast section. In this I have also animation. It start from Y20, and after 0.8 second it will be its original place. Then I add transition for animation. Then I have add few classes for showing beautiful. Then I have heading for cast section. After that I have div, and in this div I have movie casting and map function, and it start for each loop for each cast. Then I am returning image, that is cast image, and I have also add animation. So let's talk about animation. So it start from 0 and scale 0, and while in view it is scale 1 and opacity 1, and transition duration 0.1, and delay index into 0.1, because it is showing like every cast take 0.1 second for its rendering, and it's so beautiful animation. Now let's talk about relevant section. And relevant section I have a relevant classes, then I have heading, and in this classes I have also animation. And let's talk about its animation. It start from -50, and while in view its opacity 1 and y equal to, and viewport true. It will run only once. Then I have transition for this duration 0.8 second. Then I have one more div, and in this div I have movie and start filter. It is start loop for each movie. Then start movie genre dot sum. It is used to check at least one condition match, and then it will return true. Here I will check movie genres includes dot relevant. If it is match, then it will return. Then I am checking it should not be match with movie detail ID and relevant ID, because I don't want to show here same movie that is showing here. Then I add animation in card section. Initial it start from 0.9, and while in viewport it's opacity 1 and scale 1 and viewport 1 2, that means it will run only once. Then I have transition for duration 0.5 and delay index into 0.2 and every card render after 0.2 seconds. So that is my overall code, and if you see any mistake so please contact me, and I hope you are enjoying my video, and thank you for watching my video.